invited Mark and Sheila back to Hong Kong to go to the happiest place on Earth. Different than any other property on the planet, this one prides itself on offering a diverse and culturally distinctive experience for guests of every age. Come along as we go on a morning walking tour of Disneyland Hong Kong with Matt.
And I'm so lucky 'cause my carpet's just the same. I packed my backpack and my coat, sunglasses too. We're getting ready, going flying's what we do. Spinning and turning, we rise from the room. Out of the window, we're heading up to the moon. My house looks small beneath me as we leave behind completely all I know. My carpet rides the wind, he's faster than the red and green cars far below. He'll never slow. Brightest colors in the sky are blue and white. We're zooming skyward on our magic carpet flight. There's birds and planes and helicopters up here too. But we're the fastest on our way up to the moon. Spinning and turning, we reach for the stars. Planets and meteors, Jupiter, Neptune, Mars. The earth looks small beneath me as we leave behind completely all I know. My carpet rides the sky just like a rocket. We arrive, the moon she glows. I love her so.
Follow us on social media and check out our show on beams.live. Click now to watch another music video postcard, or choose a YouTube playlist instead. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again real soon.